Right, so good evening everyone. So I have a new stuff to unbox here. This is a RC plane Eagle Bionic aircraft fighter radio control RC plane. So this is the Bionic Eagle aircraft. So let's go ahead and unbox this new newly arrived RC plane. So I guess this is FX. Sorry for the swing of the phone. No, this is the uh, this is the RC plane looks like, guys. So it's like eagle design. So very nice packaging, first and foremost. So very well secure with the bubble wrap. So let's find out let's cut this open. Ooh. So this is just a quick unboxing, guys. Oops, I'm sorry. Look at this, guys. So eagle design. So the Minator. So 36 grams weight, length 280 millimeters, wingspan 405, flight time is 10 minutes. So this is two channel RC plane, right? Let's take a look inside. Yes. So this is the item. It's a bird. It's a bird design, guys. Oops. Look at the head. So so need to paste this, or maybe scotch tape here. So it's like there's the tip is hollow for crash prevention. So 2 channel, 2 motors. So what comes in the box? A very tiny LiPo battery, guys. So this is how many milliamperes? Very tiny LiPo battery, charger, and landing wheels, extra propeller, so very tiny. 150 milliamperes, guys. So just two tiny, a very little, very light LiPo battery. And but the motors 2 channel. So when you want to turn, you have to, it's like differential thrust. 2 channel. Let's take a look here if there's an extra battery inside. Ooh, yes, 2 batteries on and all in all, 2 batteries. Cute, nice. And this is, oof, what happened to the remote controller? So this is the radio, guys. Very toy looking. 2-channel throttle and the differential thrust. So you need 2 AA batteries. Very toyish, guys, toy grade, but the design is beautiful. It's captivating. That's why I ordered this, because I love the design, very unique. So looks like a live bird. Only that the head is detachable. This is the user manual, guys. So I think I have to go over with the manual first and charge the battery, then do a maiden flight on the next day. Get this, very cute. You see here. This is the landing wheels. If you want to do some ground takeoff, you have to install this, and for landing. Right, so yes, and this is the, of course, the landing wheels also. Right, so there you go. So it's fully assembled, guys. You can take this off in the ground or hand throw, guys. So 2-channel differential thrust, guys, 2-channel, and Eagle RC bird flight. So this is the box. Nice. Maiden flight the next day or maybe tomorrow, guys. So subscribe to the channel, guys, and give this video a thumbs up.